What's up, everyone? Tom Mifflin, Premier Cleaning Solutions. Today we are out here cleaning and sanitizing playground equipment at the Early Explorations Daycare Center. They have 2 locations. They contacted us wanting us to come out and sanitize and get rid of all the germs and nastiness. So we're out here today just cleaning and disinfecting. So here's kind of what we do. Our cleaning solutions kill the viruses and is what's recommended per the CDC guidelines to clean and sanitize all these surfaces.